In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate and deactivate a sales funnel on Systeme.io. Whether you're setting up a new funnel or taking one temporarily offline, this process is straightforward and will only take about 5 minutes. First, you'll need to access your Systeme.io dashboard. Open your web browser and navigate to the Systeme.io login page. If you have your login credentials ready, enter your email and password in the respective fields. Once you've entered your details, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. This will take you directly to your personal dashboard where you'll see all your projects and settings. Now that you're inside your dashboard, direct your attention to the menu. Here, you'll want to hover your cursor over the Websites section. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with various options related to managing your online presence through Systeme.io. From this menu, click on the Sales Funnel option. This section houses all your active and inactive sales funnels. When you click on Sales Funnels, you'll be taken to a list that may include both active and inactive funnels. To streamline your view and make locating a specific funnel easier, you'll want to use the Filter option. There's a drop-down menu that allows you to filter your funnels. Set this filter to inactive so you can see only the funnels that are currently deactivated. This step is essential if you have a lot of funnels and want to quickly locate the one you need to work on. Once you have set the filter, scan through the list of deactivated funnels to find the specific one you wish to activate. When you've found it, look for the 3 dots located to the right of the funnel's name. Click on these dots, which will open a small menu of actions you can take regarding that funnel. From the options provided, choose Activate if you want to turn the funnel back on. If at any point you decide to deactivate a funnel, perhaps for maintenance or updating purposes, you would use the same method, but select Deactivate instead. And there you have it, the process of activating and deactivating a sales funnel on Systeme.io. This functionality is especially handy for those times when you need to control the availability of your sales processes without permanent deletions. Remember, keeping your funnels organized and knowing how to manage them efficiently can significantly impact your business's online performance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you handle your sales funnels with confidence.